Hi, this is Jake with Cabinet Solutions Design Software, and on today's video we're going to be going through our CNC section of Cabinet Solutions. For this demonstration, let's go ahead and draw a simple wall, make it about 50 inches, and I'm going to place 3 cabinets on there. Let's do a regular base cabinet, a drawer bank so I can show off drawer slides, and an upper cabinet so I can show off the aligned boring. So after you place your kitchen, next step would be to go to File and then Export Cut List. Make sure everything is selected on this list, which it is by default, and then click on Export, and that brings the information up into our CNC exporter. And once this opens up here, it's going to show you that all the cabinets are brought over, including all of their parts. There's my base cabinet, my drawer bank, and my upper cabinet. From here, what I can do is click on my panel, and that shows me my drawer slide information. Any red marks on here is a dado. So I have a fixed shelf in that cabinet. I also have my back dadoed in, and so is my bottom. For my drawer bank, I have a 4-drawer drawer bank, so all of my information is in here for my drawer slides. And for my upper cabinets, I have my line bore already set up. To set this information up is very simple. Go to Tools, set up your board routing, which you're telling the program what bit do you want to cut out which type of material with. Your dado routing, which bit is going to cut which width of your dados. And the real material thickness. Speaking of dados, this is very useful. The real material thickness, what it does, it actually allows you to adjust the thickness of the material away from the information that you gave it in Cabinet Solutions. The reason why we do this is that way you can make sure that the material is the exact thickness that you need it to be, so that way you can cut the information out, make sure that all the parts are cut all the way through, and also make sure that the part is going to fit into the dado. That way it's not too tight and not too loose. Now we go to our material and tool settings. What this is you're telling the bit how fast it's going to go through each type of material and each thickness. This way you can push the bit faster through some materials, slower through others, to make sure that the parts get cut out clean, there's no scorching on the material, and you're not going to break a bit. After you have all that information set up, let's go ahead and select some parts for export. Let's go to Edit and then select by part type. I'm going to do bottoms, left panel, right panel for this demonstration. So I'm going to click on OK, and that's going to select my information for each type of cabinet. And then let's click on Export to open this information up in EnRoute. While this is opening up, what we use EnRoute for is for nesting and G-code creation. So once EnRoute fully opens here, we're going to go to the blue automatic toolpath button, click on Cabinet Solutions, click on Add List File, and depending on the number of different materials that are selected from the parts in the exporter, you'll have either more list materials or just one. In this case, everything is made out of the same material, so I only need one. So I'm going to select that, click on Open. All of my information comes in. There's my part information, the width, length, the actual thickness based on the real material thickness information, and also my material type. And let's click on Process Cabinet Solutions. And this nests all of the material onto a sheet of material, or in this case 2 sheets of material. And once you see this screen up here, the following output files are created. Those are your G-code files. This information is ready to be cut out on your CNC machine. And that's it. You can go from Cabinet Solutions to our CNC exporter program to EnRoute in just a matter of moments once everything is set up. And if you have any questions or anything like that, please feel free to let us know. Any comments, please make them down below. Or if you want, you can email them over to us to support@cabinetsolutions.net. And again, this is Jake with Cabinet Solutions Design Software.